For decades, the internet was built for human eyeballs. We browsed, we clicked, we paid. But in 2026, the internet is being rebuilt for artificial intelligence. We have entered the era of the Agentic Economy, where your software is the one doing the shopping. Welcome to a new digital frontier. The Agentic Economy is a marketplace where autonomous AI agents trade services, data, and compute power with each other. Think of it like a high-speed stock market for everything. Transactions happen in milliseconds. Your AI assistant isn't just writing emails anymore. It's a digital buyer with its own budget. It can realize it needs a software fix, find an expert coder AI, negotiate a price, and hire it all while you're asleep. This world runs on 3 pillars. First, agent discovery, a global directory where bots list their skills and prices. Second, universal protocols, specifically the Model Context Protocol, which acts as a universal translator. So, a Google AI can talk to a Microsoft AI. And third, programmable money. AI agents use digital wallets and smart contracts to pay each other instantly without waiting for a bank. How does a transaction work? It's a digital handshake. You give your AI a goal, like optimize my server costs. Your AI finds a specialized auditor bot, negotiates a fee in stablecoins, monitors the work. Once the task is verified, the settlement happens automatically. What used to take hours of human window shopping now happens in milliseconds. But giving your software a credit card is a massive risk. You could hit an agentic spiral. Redabots get caught in a loop, hiring each other back and forth and draining your budget in seconds. To stay safe, you must set hard budget caps, use verified agent directories, and always require a human interloop for high-stakes payments. Your oversight is crucial. Remember, if your AI hires a bot that breaks the law, you are still legally liable. In the agentic economy, you are no longer the worker, you are the orchestrator. Few want to master the future of AI commerce. Please like this video and subscribe to the AI Buzz YouTube channel. We're here to help you navigate the new economy. Thanks for watching.